The family of a boy who almost died from measles is warning parents to get their children immunised against the disease. 3-month-old Ezra Barratt contracted measles last Christmas and spent the new year in hospital. The infection is highly contagious, and today health officials warn that the number of cases is already around 3 times higher than last year's total. From Walsall, Anila Dami has been hearing Ezra's story.
When Ezra got ill over Christmas, his parents thought he had a cold. That's common with measles, where people get symptoms such as high temperature and a runny nose. But it's usually followed by a rash, which is what happened here.
So the rash started on his torso and spread throughout his whole body, and that's when we knew something was wrong and it was more than a cough and a cold. So we took him to A&E.
He stayed there for 6 days while he contracted COVID and pneumonia.
It was quite traumatic.
England's currently facing a measles crisis, with 86 confirmed cases last week. It brings the total number of measles cases recorded so far this year to almost 900, a sharp increase from 368 cases in the whole of last year. The UK Health Security Agency says measles cases are rising across the country, particularly in areas where there's a low vaccine uptake, such as London and here in the West Midlands. Most cases were in children 10 years and younger. They're urging anyone who doesn't have 2 doses of the MMR vaccine to get them. Ezra's older brother Noah had received an MMR vaccination. Carl and Davina believe the jab helped.
There was a period where they had been together and Noah didn't pick anything up, and it is a simple vaccination to get.
As a nation, we're no longer hitting our targets for vaccinating under 5s like Ezra, who's now recovered. And that will only mean more cases of a highly contagious illness that can cause lifelong complications and even death. Anila Dami, ITV News, Walsall.